Hey guys, it's Ember here! Yeah, today I actually have a request on how to make this. How make it and stuff like how make it stuff. So you go to a website. If I can, God dang it. Right there. This website right here. Okay. First things first, why did I click on that? Oh, and the person who requested this was jaybeam. So I'm making it for you, buddy. Yeah, okay. First things, you just pick one that you think you like. Gotta find one. Give me a second. Leave this website. Well, I didn't leave it, but let's do this one. Open. So when you got this, get this ready, okay? And then you click this eye right here. Then click play. Okay, maybe not. Oh wait, this one. This one. I think this one would be good. Click the eye, then play. And there you saw it. That's how you see it, if you like it or not. And so you go here. You click how long you want to do it. I'm gonna do for that long. And then you go here. Right here. Then you go down. Oh. I hate this. Okay. You go to text, go to I, then you write the letter that you want to put. You go to every single one. Give me a second to do this. You know what? I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's already T there. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, so you got your name. Then you go over it. And see if you like it. The A. I hate the A. The A need a space in it. Space. The A. Well, okay. So now you see that for a little bit. You go here. Oh, whoops, wrong button. You go here. Click good quality. If you want to change the music, go here. And then you didn't you see that? Music? I don't know where to click. Oh, downloads. And you find the music that you want. I downloaded some right here. So I'm gonna do this one. There you go. After that, you go here, click that, start the video, allow. Then you wait until, oh, what happened? And then you just have to wait until it renders. There you go, that's how you make them. I'll show you what it turns out after it's done. See you in a little bit. So after it's done rendering, you say download video. It goes here, puts that it's downloading down here. See? Right there. Now click on it. I'll show you what it looks like. Where did it go? Oh, okay, there it is. I'm not even sure you saw that, but okay, here we go. Here we're supposed to look like. Sorry, it's bad. Sorry, it's bad quality. Well, that's all you do. Pretty easy. I hope this helped, and bye!